Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. For today's video, I will show you the belt tensioner assembly of a Honda CR-V 2.4 and a Honda Civic 2.0. These tensioner assembly can be fitted on these two type of a Honda car. The part number is 31170P and A0 to 3. Once again, these can be fitted to Honda Civic 2.0 with a K20 engine and Honda CR-V k24 engine. If your belt is loose and less tension, or if your belt has the squeaky noise, then you might considering these belt tensioner assembly to be checked by a mechanic. Thank you guys for watching. Salamat po!